Not only is the Ninja Professional Food Processor easy to use, but it's even easier to clean. To get started, remove the lid, press the button near the handle to unlock. Turn the lid counterclockwise and lift from the bowl. Carefully grab the black plastic top of the chopping blade to remove from the bowl. Now turn the bowl counterclockwise and empty the contents. If you choose to hand wash, separate all parts and clean in warm, soapy water using a dishwashing utensil with a handle to avoid direct contact with the blades. Also, don't use abrasive cloths, pads, or brushes to clean the base. If you have a lot of stuck-on food particles, keep your dirty bowl and attachment assembled with the lid locked. Pour in some warm water through the feed chute and add 1 to 2 small drops of dish soap, making sure to reinstall the food pusher. Press the pulse button a couple of times to quickly clean the bowl and blades. Disassemble the parts to give it a final rinse. The best thing is that these parts are also dishwasher safe, which is my preference. Separate everything and place the pieces into the top rack of the dishwasher. It's recommended that they are placed on the top rack of the dishwasher only. Make sure the blades are removed from the bowl before placing in. No matter your preferred cleaning method, once it's clean, you'll be ready for your next challenge in the kitchen. If you're looking for more recipe information or have more questions, visit ninjakitchen.com to find everything you're looking for.